The next piece of software that we are going to be installing is our IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. So this is essentially a place where, or the place where we are going to be writing all our Python code. So I'm going to be writing our Python code here, testing it and debugging. So the IDE of choice that I have gone with for this tutorial is Visual Studio Code. So I want you to head to your browser and open a new tab. Next, search download Visual Studio Code. Now, once you do that, just hit the first link that comes up. Now, Visual Studio Code is available for multiple operating systems. As you can see, it's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. It's also available for different Linux distros, as you can see here. You have Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Fedora, and so on. Now, it is also good to note that there are several other IDEs that you could use. For example, we have one called PyCharm. PyCharm is also a good option for writing, it's also a good IDE for writing your Python codes in. We also have a different IDE called Sublime Text. Now, Sublime Text is also a good IDE, but the reason why I have gone with Visual Studio Code is because it is very beginner friendly and it has a lot of features that will help you get started really fast. So this is why I recommend Visual Studio Code. It has a lot of features and it has extensions that make development super easy and super fast. Now, once you get to this page, just select what operating system you are using. So I'm going to select Windows because I use the Windows operating system. Now, once I do that, it's just going to start downloading Visual Studio Code for me. Now, once it has finished downloading, just make sure you run through the installer and install Visual Studio Code on your computer. So that is all we need to install for now for this chapter. So we talked about installing Python and we talked about installing Visual Studio Code. Please, if you have any question concerning these steps, you can feel free to create a new question and I'm going to reply you as soon as I see it.